Hey, I'm Kevin Scharfenberg with eXp Realty. I'm excited to showcase this listing in Pritchard, British Columbia, 1324 Bostock Crescent. It's a mobile home on its own land that sits on just over 10,000 square feet of property. You've got multiple outbuildings, community water, public sewer. Roll up your sleeves and do a little bit of work, and this home will look good as new. Let's go inside and have a look. The inside of this home is ready for you to pick your paint colors, custom flooring, get some new appliances, and make this place your own. You've got a mudroom, then you have your kitchen with the spot for your dining room table. This is your living room area. And you've got a bonus room beside me, perfect for a sitting room or your home office. And then down the hall, you have 3 bedrooms and you have a 4-piece bathroom. The laundry's currently in the bathroom, but there is a bonus room that just has the hot water tank in. I'd probably dedicate that to have a whole room for your laundry. Right now on the side of the house, there's this closed-in area with a dirt floor. Pour some fresh concrete in here. It would make an excellent home gym or a workshop. Check out this large flat backyard. You have a grassy area, a spot for your garden, or if you wanted to set up a trampoline or an above ground pool for the kids, this place would be perfect. If you'd like some more information, reach out to your realtor, or better yet, give somebody from the office a call. We're happy to help.